choro. Buena, buena.
Today we're going to be installing the Vortex Generator. Obviously every vapor and every Subi owner knows that this is the #1 rice-a-roni mod that you need for this car. Obviously I went with the carbon special, you know, the eBay special. Look at that. It's got the fake carbon, you know, and it's the full antenna. So obviously most of you guys looking at this, you know, there's kind of like two types. Like the short one that only goes halfway, and obviously at the full length. So there's the Subaru genuine one, and then there's obviously the OLM, and then Amazon and eBay. I don't like the OLM one because you can see the fins. They're going to go towards the back, so I like that design. The OLM ones are weird, and that's the only way I was going to get this one. And then plus, since the eBay special, it's like 30 bucks. So the OEM Subaru one's like 100. So if anything goes wrong, I can get another one. But the only bad thing about getting the eBay special is, you know, it might not fit just right. So I had to trim these corners down on this side and this side, as well as the antenna hole. I don't know if it'll show up, but it came out pretty decent. It's not too hacked. You know, I just used the Dremel to trim it up. And, you know, you're going to want to test fit it before you go and put it on, before you take off all the tape and put it on. So I had to do a test fit and then sand it down a little bit, but, you know, we're finally ready to. So I'm just going to do a quick little prep on the car first before we get to the installation, because prep is #1 and that's key. So I'm just going to go wipe it down with maybe a little bit of Goo Gone in case I had any like wax left over from my last wash. Then I'm just going to wash it with some soap, like hot water, and then some like Dawn, some dish soap. And then also I'm just going to hit it with some rubbing alcohol just to clean off everything, just so it's a clean surface. And then I'm going to take off all this tape, hit it with some heat so it's nice and warm, put it on, get some heat to make sure it all adheres, and then we're going to see how this comes out. So I'm going to go just take off all this tape that I have on the back, do a little bit of quick prep, and then we're going to get into installation. Alrighty, you can probably see that I got this all heated. I got this all ready to go. I practiced a little bit. I'm going to put these corners in just like this, and I'm going to work my way in around the antenna. So I got my corners, and then I'm going to make sure it slides in, and then I'm going to work my way in so that all the glue gets pushed. Yo, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Alright, there we go. You know, I was about to cry and just give up, but nothing a little heat helps to get it formed. China Special ain't gonna do much, but hey, you make it work. This looks mint. Look, this is gonna be so sealed. This isn't going anywhere. Sheesh. We sheesh busted. Ow. That was stupid. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? It's the only spot. This thing was flimsy. So that's like the only spot. But I think now, I'm just gonna try and get it down. Push all the way down. Alright. I'm just gonna finish just pushing each spot down, but that's basically it. If you're gonna get the China Special from eBay, you're gonna have to work it like I did. So maybe, I don't know if you wanna put your tape on, like pull it as you're going, but I put a lot of tape because I was expecting to work it. So, man, this thing fits great. Except for this little corner, but it ain't gonna fit much better than that. I'm just gonna show you guys it real quick. And that's pretty much it. Hey, yo. That's what I'm talking about. Adds a little bit of aggression. See, that's why I kind of like the full one, and it's like a little milder. You can't really see it from back here. But dang, from this angle, sheesh, as the kids say, buskin'. You know, I got a few other parts that are coming in, but dang. You know, we got the rear splats. Actually, they're spats, but you gotta call them splats. But dang, with the little bit smaller ones, with the big antenna stick in, and the fake carburetion, that gets a double whiz. Sheesh, look at that. Damn. But hey, that's how you install the eBay Special Vortex. You're gonna have to work it, some heat and some Dremel. That thing comes out mint. So I hope you guys like this install. Let me know if you guys want the link to the product. Hope you guys have a good one. Stay frosty.